If you want to set up remote on OnePlus 15, what you need to do is we need to go to the app drawer and we need to find the IR remote app. It should be pre-installed on your phone. Now over here we can press this plus button in the bottom right corner, for example, or generally speaking just find the add button or plus button, and now we can choose whichever device we want to add. We also have the QR code scanner, so in case you have the QR code of your device, then you can just scan the code over here to quickly add the device to the list over here. On the other hand, if you need to manually add it, then of course you can choose the device that you want to add. So let's say we can choose TV, then we can choose the brand of the TV, and now we need to aim the back of our phone at the device because we have the IR blaster at the back of the phone. And then over here we need to follow the steps that you will see on this screen. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.